So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to log out of Exness account from all other devices. So first off, you will need to get to your Exness account, so you can just type in right here. And there's a bit of a variation if you're using the web platform right here or if you're using the app version. So I'm just going to show you how it looks on there. So you can see it's going to be looking something like this. So you can remove that. So once you're logged in, you're going to see a layout like this if you are on the web platform. Through there, you can see your accounts, performance, history of orders, Exness terminal, payments and wallet, insights, benefits, your profile. But on your personal area, you should get to your settings. So once you open up your profile, or rather expand on that, you can see verification, security, and trading terminal. So let's click on security. Opening up security, you can see your information for logging into Exness. You can see some two-step verification, and you can see device and account security. So by opening that, you can see the option to log out from all other devices except this one to secure your account. And you can terminate Exness personal area to just make sure. But to log out from all devices once you're logged in, you can click on this, and this will ensure that you don't have to worry about you getting left logged in on some other device. So just click on that and it's going to be removed. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.